Imagine getting paid $75 to $200 just for showing up, signing some papers, and leaving under 30 minutes. No office, no boss. You'll pull up, sign, get paid, and go. Yeah, that's the mobile notary life. And in this video, I'm breaking down how you can start this business in 2025, even if you've never notarized anything in your life. Welcome back to my Business Vibe. If you're new here, this channel is all about business ideas that can get you out of the 9-to-5 cycle and into your freedom era. Each video gives you realistic business ideas, not ones that cost $20,000 to start or require 2 or 3 degrees, but these are ones that regular folks like you and me can start today with the right tools. And today, we're diving into the mobile notary business and why it's one of the most slept on money-making moves you could make in 2025. So, what is a mobile notary? It's a commissioned notary public who travels to clients to notarize legal documents, things like real estate forms, loan paperwork, legal affidavits, power of attorney documents, you name it. The mobile part, that's the best part. You set your hours, you choose your appointments, and you decide how far you're willing to travel. It's freedom and income. Let's start now, because the demand for mobile notaries is only going up. Real estate companies need notaries, legal documents are always in circulation, and with more people working remotely, businesses are outsourcing these services to you. You don't need an office. You don't need a law degree. You just need the right certification, a bit of training, and the willingness to show up and handle business. What does it take to get started? This is a low-cost startup, typically around $500, and here's what you will need. A notary commission from your Secretary of State's office, a notary stamp and journal, errors and omissions insurance, mobile notary bag containing your supplies, pens, clipboards, thumbprint pad, and of course, reliable transportation. These are optional, but highly recommended. You would need a dual tray laser printer if you plan to do loan signings, and a training course to learn the business. And if you guys have watched any of my previous videos, you already know I am a huge advocate of using resources, courses, and step-by-step guides to help start and grow your business. So no winging it or struggling over here or trying to figure it out alone. We're not doing that over here. So how much can you make? Mobile notaries typically earn between $75 to $200 per appointment, especially for real estate loan signings. Some notaries can earn between $4,000 and $10,000 a month, depending on location, availability, and their hustle. You can work part-time or full-time in this business. The power is in your hands, actually. So this business is perfect for stay-at-home moms, retirees, people with full-time jobs who want a flexible hustle, anyone looking for a low barrier way to step into entrepreneurship. So if you're organized, professional, and can follow instructions, this could be the business for you. Now, to get started, you do need to be a commissioned notary. You'll get that through your state's Secretary of State website. Then, to level up and learn the ins and outs from becoming a notary to getting clients to building a repeat income, you will need proper training. Also, if you want to add loan signing agent services, check your state requirements and look into National Notary Association training and certification. So the pros of this business, of course, is low startup costs, flexible schedule, great side or full-time income, easy to scale with repeat clients. The cons, of course, we got to go through those, requires a lot of attention to detail. You'll need to travel, of course, and some states do require more paperwork to get started. So if you decide to do this business or are currently doing this business, you will always want to stay organized and professional. Get insured, use a scheduling system or calendar, and do market your business locally. Don't accept appointments without verifying ID. Don't skip the training. Trust me, it will cost you later. And don't ignore local notary laws. They vary by state. So here's your path. Get your commission, complete the training, get insured and equipped, start booking appointments, market through Google, Thumbtack, LinkedIn, and local directories, grow with real estate signings, scale by hiring other notaries or offering advanced services. So if you're ready to start building your freedom-based business today, you know I got you. The course is linked in my description, so check that out if you're interested in this type of business. And now that you've learned the basic steps of being a mobile notary and you've got questions, please drop them in the comments. If you want me to cover another business idea, let me know. And if this video helped you at all, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you never miss a business gem. And as always, thanks so much for vibing with me. This is my business vibe, and until next time.